Hi, good morning. Nick Heiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Gilbert at our friends of Brandy and Karina's house. We are working on their tile. We got it, so you can see it's grouted up. Now we have to do a final wipe down and do a little scrub, but you can see the grout is completed. Take a look in here. We got the flat pebble stone. Got a nice niche here. One of our signatures, a custom glass shelf. Now we have to keep this is designed to go between the studs. So these shelves are only 14 inches big, so we can't stretch them, but we can cut them down. But we use those for our niches. Love how that turns out. Now we have a dedicated drying area. So you can see there's a little step-up platform which separates the shower pan from the drying area. Then you got a nice bench seat. You can hang a couple robe hooks here, put your towels or robe right there. Just like a lot of our jobs, this shower head is going to run off of this, from this valve that's going to be right there. So when you're taking a shower, all you have to do is reach around the corner, turn that on, let the water warm up before you run in. So you don't have to turn it on there and run out of here once you turn the shower on. Now we got this valve here, and there's going to be a handheld that attaches right to this, and the hose will come down and then it'll come right up. And this is going to be between the valve and where that connects right there. If you're watching this series, you'll remember we had a vent pipe that rolled up right along here, over and up. So this has to go in that location, or else we could be in trouble when it comes to hitting a vent pipe. It's a wet vent, but still we don't want to do that. This is all our trim right here. That's plumbing trim. We're going to put that in today, and he should be here midday. So we were here marking this out, plus I wanted to show you the progress. But yeah, I can't wait to show you. This glass goes in next week, so we're just waiting on the glass after today. We have a little baseboard to put in tomorrow, but that's it. We're just about done with this project. So stick around for the final results. Can't wait to show you how this one turned out, and I might have another video before the final result. All right, thanks.